All right, cool. So you guys are taking pictures here. What's your thought about the weather?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you guys from New York?
I'm from New York.
I'm from Montenegro.
Ex-Yugoslavia.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so talk to me about this weather. You're out here. It's like after 12 o'clock midnight.
We were out in some cafe. Our friend was a bartender, and we just came to Time Square, see how it was, how's that atmosphere and stuff. So it's nice, get the vibe out. It's Friday night. Didn't want to stay at home. It's a storm, but it's not too dangerous. Drive safely, of course. Yeah.
Yes.
As you can see, it's nice.
So you're enjoying this small northeastern that we got here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. For me, that's the special moment, because there's the Times Square, and that weather is right now. The Times Square is 10 times better and beautiful, than regular days because it snowed, it's the winters.
Doesn't happen often.
Yeah.
What's your first names?
I'm Marco.
Marco, like,
Dario. Yes.
how do you spell your name?
D-A-R-E-O. Yeah.
I'm with a K.
Hey,
I'm not with a C.
you're Marco with a K?
Yeah.
Oh wow, good. I was with a C.
Yeah, that's how they spell it in Eastern Europe.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, this is like first real snow in New York. Like, we had snows before, but it wasn't as serious as this. It's not as serious as it compared to other places, but it's still for New York this year. It's pretty,
Cool.
falling down.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
We're gonna pull the last tire and I think the trip. Very stop.